Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is another will I say episode of my pregnancy lazy cooking. Yeah, so I made this video when I was 8 months plus, pregnant, because it didn't take long. I put to bed that very day. I started craving um fisherman soup. Yeah, that is native soup. I went straight ahead to a Chinese store. I got the rishi, that's the seafood. Yeah, I got all the seafood, my tilapia fish, the sea snail, prawns, and all that. I like that the fish was live fish, that is fresh. You know what I mean. Likewise the crab, but the sea snail and the prawns, I be the shrimps, they were already packaged. I got the packaged ones. They didn't have the live ones. In fact, before I continue wrapping, click on the subscribe button. Have you done that? Thank you. And then give this video a thumbs up. Comment. Why would you watch a video you would not comment? Please comment, like the video, share, also share. Okay, let's continue. So after gathering all the ingredients, I got home. I became tired. So I ended up not cooking the soup that very day. I didn't have the strength to prepare the soup, and no other person could, so I had to I cleaned my stuffs and leave them in the fridge. So this cooking actually took place the next day. Oh my god, when I was making this soup, one side of me was actually happy because I was about satisfying my cravings, but then the other side of me was still dragging me back, like myself. I wanted to make this video to upload on my channel. Let me try. I was just explaining rubbish. Maybe I should have allowed my voice in the real video to play out, but there were some noise in the background when I was making, children playing and all of that. So that's why I had to filter my voice out, like everything voice, and I'm now explaining. At some point I said something like, I'm just tired, I don't even know, like I'm tired of making this video. Now tell me why at this point that I've put my vegetable, no, the leaf, it's not vegetable, it's leaf. I use Oziza leaf. I was supposed to cover this pot, but I forgot myself. I will not tell you who was making the swallow. You can see that the pot is open, boiling. I didn't stir, I didn't cover, or just there. In fact, I went to sit down. I think I tried though that I even completed this particular video, at least from beginning to the end, even though I didn't understand, like I will use this pot, I will swap and tumble, but then I completed the video. Unlike some that I will just start halfway, I'll switch off my camera. So I would like to know in the comment section, like, how is your own pregnancy experience? Like, do you enjoy cooking when you're pregnant? Do you feel normal, like your normal self, all the energy you used to have when you don't, because I don't know, sometimes. In fact, bye bye. Thank you for watching.